Howdy, partner. So you want to learn how to smoke turkey drumsticks in a Pit Boss portable tabletop pellet grill? Well, you're in luck. We're going to show you today. Today, we're going to walk you through how to smoke some delicious big turkey drumsticks on this Pit Boss portable tabletop pellet grill. We're going to cut straight to the chase and just kind of go through how these are going to be cooked. If you want to check out a review of the Pit Boss pellet grill or any of our other videos where we cook other things on here like ribs or pork or brisket, go ahead and hit that subscribe button in the bottom right, and that subscribe will unlock all the videos on Pit Boss as well as a bunch of generic home how-to tips and tricks. So thanks for watching. What we're going to do here today, we started preheating our pellet grill. Again, we're not going to go through exactly how this works. I assume you already know, but if you want to check out other videos, you can. And then we've taken a bunch of big turkey drumsticks and we basically just put them in a little bit of olive oil, salt, and pepper. If you wanted to, you could go ahead and brine them or do other things. We're gonna go for an easy cook. They're still be good. So we're gonna put them in. We're gonna go skin side up, and we're just gonna organize them here. I'm not sure exactly how many are gonna fit, but I think we'll be okay. And we do have a second tray that we can put up if we need to. So there's 4. We got a big group over here at the Mr. Greg's How-To film studio today. So we got to make sure we have enough food for everybody. We're cooking at 225 to 250 for about 3 hours or so. But we'll go ahead and see how they're doing. We're gonna start at 225 and we'll move it up if we need to. I'm gonna go ahead and put in this grate that we have. So before we do that, with a smaller Pit Boss, you gotta be a little more deliberate with how you organize everything. But the nice thing is, it doesn't take up as much room as some of the larger ones. So these are chicken drumsticks. We went ahead and made a few of those as well, or we're gonna make a few for the little ones. Although, you know, if you wanted to, you could you could probably just go ahead and cook all drumsticks. So we got 2 more. All right. Well, that's pretty well filled. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 turkey drumsticks, and then 5 regular drumsticks. You could probably fit maybe a dozen turkey drumsticks. That'd be about pushing it. So that's our capacity. It's pretty easy for this little grill. And then we have this aftermarket meat probe thermometer. You want the internal temperature to get to 170. So we're gonna go ahead and insert this. I'm actually not gonna do it right now. I'm gonna let it get smoking for an hour or so and then I'll put it in. You plug it in there. Unfortunately, Pit Boss doesn't come with this thermometer. It didn't come when I bought it, but I'll go ahead and link one in the description from Amazon. You can use it, works really well to let you know we get to that 170. So again, we're set at 225. We're gonna do this for about 3 hours or so. But we'll go ahead and close it up and then we'll check back in, I don't know, hour and a half. Stay tuned. Well, we are about 2 hours into the cook. We've been going at 225. And, you know, again, if you want to go a little faster, you go 250. But we're at 225. It's about 230. This Pit Boss tabletop pellet grill, it sits usually within, I say 15 degrees, but normally it's pretty close, like, you know, 5 degrees or so of what you're aiming for. So if we take a look, these are looking pretty good. They definitely can still use some more smoking and darkening. Definitely our chicken drumsticks are cooking faster. I put in the meat probe thermometer and the internal temperature is 140. So we're going for 170. We're gonna leave it at 225 for a little longer. If we get antsy, I may crank it up 250, but we're gonna leave it at 225. Again, we're at 2 hours, wait 1 more hour, stay tuned. All right, partner, well, we are in the rain now. The Pit Boss tabletop pellet grill does work in the rain. We cranked this up to about 250 and then 300 once we hit 3 hours. So at 3 hours, it went up 250, and then about 3.5, I went 300 because I just want to get them kind of done and crisp up on the outside. But they are now at 174 degrees, which is more than enough in the middle. And they've got that nice golden brown color. These are gonna be super juicy if you want to take a close up. So we're gonna take these off and they just look really, really good. They've got a crisp skin, nice on both sides, and just look really, really good. When you hold this, it's like you're at the fair or a Renaissance festival or something else. See how these go. Again, this was an easy cook. Go ahead and try it. Well, that is good. Good smoke flavor, nice and juicy. Again, thanks for tuning in to Mr. Greg's How-To. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, with all these videos, if I can do it, you can too. Thanks for watching.